Good morning, student. I am Joginder Kumar. This is class 8. Here we will discuss chapter number 22, Manufacturing Industries. Let we have to start our video. Manufacturing industries. You can see the picture. So, what is the meaning of manufacturing industries? Industries refer to an economic activity that is concerned with production of goods, extraction of minerals, or the provision of services is called an industry. Means manufacturing industries where the production is prepared at a large scale in the factories, that is called manufacturing industries. Now we'll see the classification of industries. Here, first is on the raw material based. Raw material based are the agro based industry, mineral based industries, marine based industries, and forest based industries. On the basis of size, the large scale industries and the small scale industries. On the basis of ownership, there is the private sector industry, joint sector industry, cooperative sector industry, and the public sector industry. Now we will discuss these. Agro-based industries. They use the plant and animal-based product as they are the raw material. Example, the cotton textile, vegetable oil, etc. Next is mineral-based industries. They are a primary product that use mineral or as they are the raw material. The products of these industries feed other industries. For example, the railway coaches and the machineries, etc. Now, the marine-based industries. They use products from the sea and the oceans as the raw material. Example, fish oil, seafood, etc. Next is the forest-based industries. They utilize the forest produce as a raw material. For example, the wax, gum, and paper industries. Now, you can see some pictures on the basis of raw material, cotton. Next is woolen, jute, silk textile, rubber industries, sugar, tea, coffee, and edible oil. Now, mineral-based industries example you can see here. First is iron and steel industry. Next, cement industry, the aluminium industry, the petrochemical field industries. Now, marine-based industries, the seafood and the fish oil. Forest-based industries you can see where is the paper is prepared, that is paper mills. Now, on the basis of size, small scale industries. This type of small scale industries are the cottage or the household industries. Example of small scale industries are the basket weaving, pottery, and the other handicraft. Small scale industries use less amount of capital and the technology. And the large scale industries, produce in large volume of production. Example of large scale industries are the textile industries, thermal industries. Large scale industries invest of the capital of higher technology is used more. Clear? Now you can see small scale industries example. This is picture is showing at the small scale, and this is also where you are seeing the spinning of thread. So cottage industries. Next, on the large scale industries you can see there is a high infrastructure you can see or at a large scale. Now The industries on the basis of ownership. There are the four types of the industries on the basis of ownership. First is the private sector industry. Second is joint sector industries. Third is the cooperative sector industries. And fourth is the public sector industries. First, private industries, they are owned by and operated by the individual or a group of individual. Joint sector, they are owned by the operated by the state and the individuals also, or the groups of individual. Cooperative sector industries, they are owned and operated by the producers or the producer of or the supplier of raw material and the workers or the both, means they work their self also. Public sector industries, they are owned and operated by the government. That is why they are called the public sector industries, because of their aim is to provide the welfare or to do welfare of the society. Next is you can see the example of joint sector industry, the Oil India Limited. Oil India Limited is a joint sector industry. Private sector industries, you can see here the Tata industry and the Bajaj industry. Cooperative sector industries are the handloom industries, food processing industries, and the dairy products industries. Public sector industries are BHEL, Bhel, Hardwar, and the Hyderabad. SAIL, which SAIL is steel and iron in India with its name SAIL. Now, some factors which affected the location of an industry or the factors needed for an industry. First is availability of raw material. Second is land. Third is water. Four is labor. Next is power. Next is capital and transport and the market. These are such factors. Without these factors, we can't imagine a working of an industry. Now, any industry work like a industrial system, like the input, process, and output. All these things are followed by a industry system. In input of any industry, raw material, labor, transport, power, and land. And the process of any industry, this is the converting of raw material into the finished products. Means like we can see any industry takes the raw material iron and other things for making a car, and when it process when it is completed, and when it completed, it comes out from the factory for sale, means for use as a finished product. Next is output, the end of product and the income earned in it. This is the output. Clear? Means if we discuss about any agriculture, so in agriculture system we takes the things like the seed in input and plugging is in processing, and the grain is an output. So major industrial regions in India: Eastern Northern America, Western Europe, Central Europe, Eastern Europe, and Eastern Asian areas are the major industrial region of world. The major industrial region of India: Mumbai-Pune cluster, Bangalore, Tamil Nadu region, Hugli-Kolkata region means, the Ahmedabad-Vadodara region, Chota Nagpur industrial belt, Visakhapatnam Guntur belt, and Gurgaon Delhi Meerut region, and Kollam Thiruvananthapuram industrial cluster. The remaining part of this video we will discuss in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day, student.